Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. Alhamdulillah. All students of class 7, welcome to online classes, Akram House Public Boys High School. Students, today I will teach you subject geography. Students, open the book. Chapter number 1, Physical State of the Earth. Open the page number 2. Students, our topic is composition of Earth's interior. Human beings have little information about the internal structure of Earth. This distance between the surface of Earth and its core center is more than 6,000 kilometers. Therefore, to know about the internal structure of Earth, human beings, the help from seismic, earthquake, waves, and the magnetic and gravitational forces of Earth. The temperature gradually increased towards the core of Earth. The internal part of Earth is divided into three important parts: crust, mantle, and core. Students, look at the picture. Crust, mantle, internal core, and external core. Number 1. Crust, outer surface. The surface of Earth consists of water and dry land. Its thickness is not uniform. The uppermost and less thick sphere of Earth is known as crust. Its thickness is between 8 to 40 kilometers. Crust is divided into two parts. The upper part is known as continental crust and the lower part is known as oceanic crust. The continental crust consists of a number of land masses known as continents. Continental crust is made of silicon and aluminium. Therefore, it is also known as Sial. Oceanic crust is made of silicon and iron and magnesium. Therefore, it is also known as Sima. This part of Earth is rich in minerals. Number 2. Mantle, middle layer. Mantle is below the crust. It consists of two layers. Upper mantle is 670 kilometers thick. In this layer, most of the rocks are in molten state. Below the upper mantle is lower mantle, which is hard and solid. It mostly consists of iron, silicon, and magnesium. Its thickness is 2230 kilometers. Number 3. Core, internal part. The sphere present under mantle is called core. It also consists of two parts, external core and internal core. External core is in liquid form below the mantle. It mostly consists of molten rocks. Its thickness is 2250 kilometers. Internal core is made of nickel and iron. It is also known as knife. This name is derived from the initial two letters of nickel and ferrous iron, means NIFE, word knife. The internal core is solid. It is the heaviest among all spheres. Its thickness is 1220 kilometers. Students, open the notebooks. First of all, first term. Secondly, syllabus, geography, unit number 1 and 3. Third, chapter profile, chapter number 1, physical state of the earth, introduction, reading, short questions, long question, and exercise. Classwork, chapter number 1, physical state of the earth, reading, page number 2 and 3 has done. Next, let us start question and its answers. Students, open the book and page number 14. Question number 1. Give two reasons for earthquake. Now the answer is number 1. Most of earthquakes occur due to the movement of tectonic plate. Number 2. Earthquake also occur due to volcanism. Question number 2. Write down the names of internal parts of earth. Now the answer is the internal part of the earth is divided into three parts. Number 1, crust. Number 2, mantle. Number 3, core. At the end, I hope you have understood the lesson. Dear students, next task we will do the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.